We've got some breaking news out. March retail sales data and a key manufacturing read from the New York Fed just out. Rick Santelli is standing by at the CME in Chicago. And Rick, go ahead and bring us those numbers, please.
Yeah, Becky, these are for the record books. Keep in mind that retail sales started in 1992 because we are down 8.7% on headline March advance, and that is the lowest read ever. 2008 had that title prior to today, and it was down 3.9. So we more than doubled that, down 8.7. Let's go through the internals. Ex-autos down 4.5. Ex-autos and gas down 3.1. Actually, both of those are a little less than we were expecting, meaning they weren't as negative as we expected. The control number actually is positive at 1.7. That's what gets inputted in other up the food chain data points like GDP. That was obviously a bit better than expected, but I think that headline says it all. For Empire, and remember, Empire started, I believe, in July of 2001. The all-time low in Empire is minus 34.3 from February of 09. Wow, we went through that. Minus 78.2 is our April read on Empire manufacturing in and around Gotham. And obviously, that is not a good number. No one was expecting these numbers to be much better, but that really is double even the expectations for what we were looking at. If we look to the markets, we really should have been prepared for this. Remember, I've talked about interest rates. You really rather have them going up at this point, not down, and they are going down. We closed at 75 basis points in a 10 yesterday. It's trading at 67. We closed at 22 in a 2-year yesterday. It's a bit under 20. And maybe the dollar index, also that barometer. We've said that, at least for this point in time, I like strong dollar for our country. But at this time of anxiety, from a global perspective, you'd like to see the dollar ease off a bit because demand for dollars by economies not doing as well as we are dealing with coronavirus are under pressure. Well, today the dollar index is up smartly. So pretty much everything I see is pointing to the fact that we may have various pieces of good news, flattening of curve, and some of the programs really helping businesses. But in the grand scheme of things, there's a heavy slog ahead.